Can you feel? I wish you were here with me right now. The air is so fresh, cold, and crisp. The wind is blowing on my face and it's freezing this side of my face with my ears. It's so cold. It's winter time now, but the sun is just as hot. Look at the beauty of this place. It's so quiet. Look at the beautiful trees. People just keep chopping them down. Humanity is so wicked. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Do you know I can just, if this is summer right now, I can just lie down, close my eyes and give myself to God forever and ever and ever. It's beautiful, isn't it? The only thing that's missing are wild animals. There's no birds. Do you hear any birds? No. You don't hear any animals. Nothing. Human has totally destroyed nature. It's a very sad thing. No matter how good a camera is on an iPhone, it still cannot capture the moment of beauty. You really need to be here to enjoy the exhilarating moment. Look at the water. It's a piquant to my mind. It rejuvenates your soul, your tired soul living in society among this, all the abhorrent people. I'm going to get across from here, okay? Well, if I fall, at least my phone is waterproof. There's a bridge over there, but I think I prefer to take my chances with these stones here. Oh my goodness, the wind is so strong. Can you hear the rustling of the trees? It's like they're talking to you. So beautiful. Look. Listen. Listen. It echoes. It's so nice, the sound of it. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. It's so nice, isn't it? Ooh, I'm going back to my car. It's so chill. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's so cold. It's ice cold, but it's so beautiful. God, I'm so in love with this place. I love you, God. You're so beautiful. You created such magnificent nature and people destroy it. Okay, that's all for today. See ya. Bye. Bye.